Meet KubburScan, the mobile LiDAR scanning app that turns a LiDAR-enabled iPhone Pro into a powerful indoor mapping tool. Imagine walking through a building and watching it become a structured 3D capture in real time. With KubburScan, you don't need expensive scanners, bulky equipment, or complicated workflows. You simply open the app, start scanning, and move naturally through connected rooms. As you go, KubburScan automatically detects objects like walls, doors, tables, or chairs. While scanning, the app records a detailed point cloud of the interior, ready to export for professional use. As you scan, KubburScan creates a point cloud in real time and marks detected objects on the spot. Right on your device, it identifies key elements of the indoor environment and classifies them instantly. Rendered in augmented reality, you'll see a white point cloud growing, while colorful bounding boxes appear over detected objects. Each box is labeled, so you know what the system found and how it's been classified. Need a better overview? Just switch to top view. With a single tap, KubburScan moves from the AR camera perspective to a clear top-down map of the entire scan. It helps you stay oriented across multiple rooms, quickly spot gaps, and confirm you've captured everything before you finish. And in top view, you can also display object measurements so you can review dimensions and sizes instantly. And when you're done, your point cloud is ready to go. Scan rooms, detect objects, and export the results, all in real time. For more information or beta access, visit the website KubburScan.ch.